Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about 4 websites that will pay you to just do simple tasks. These are give you opinion, take surveys, and things like that. And then they are going to reward you either in dollar, they're going to pay you in money, or they're going to give you gift cards that you can redeem for money or something else that you'd want to. So we are going to take a deep dive immediately. But before we do that, I want to say thank you for your support. Please remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Like this video, leave me a comment for encouragement, and let's grow this community together where we are all becoming digital millionaires. There's so much money in this digital environment, the world we are in, and the sooner we accept it and get into it, the better for everyone, right? So let's get to today's topic. So the first video, or rather the first website that I'm going to be talking about is Hey Piggy. So Hey Piggy is a website that says save money, earn money. So earn real cash with paid online ads. So basically what you have to do for these websites is just take online surveys, and then they're going to pay you for that. Now, I do have a website with this. I do have an account with this website. I do try to make it when I have time, but you'll realize that most of the time, if in your country they don't have surveys for you, then you can't take them. And immediately they have something that you can partake, they will send you notifications in your email so that you can get answering and you can get earning. So to start off, it's very easy. All you have to do is to sign up for free, go ahead and take surveys, and then get paid. And the good thing about this is you can withdraw your money once paid from 1 USD. I know some websites will tell you have to get to 20, 10 or something, but for this website, you just need to get to 5 USD, and then you can go ahead and withdraw. And also another good thing about it that I really love is the fact that they also pay you with PayPal. So no matter where you are in the world, if you have a PayPal account, once you sign in, then you can get paid like immediately. The second website that we are going to look at is Gardein.com. So Gardein also says start earning money by answering surveys. So they make it possible for you. So it's also very easy steps to become a Gardein panelist. So you're going to register in under 2 minutes. That's true. It's very quick. It's very easy. You're going to answer surveys, whether online or by email. Again, they will send you emails once they have surveys. If you get to reply and answer these surveys, then you get to receive your reward by PayPal. Again, we all love PayPal. It's the easiest way we can get this money depending on where you are. So they also have that. So they also have other ways of how you can get money. They do have referral. An example, I'm based in Kenya. If I refer someone right now and they create an account, I will get 150 Kenyan shillings. That's really cool. That's good money. So this is a really good site for you to try if you're beginning in the make money online journey. And then third, we have Opinion Edge. So Opinion Edge is a website that will also earn you as you share your rewards. So it's basically survey, you sharing your opinion, sharing your your thoughts on a product or a service, and then you get paid. So at the moment, they're not taking any respondent from my country. They're basically saying they have sufficient number of people. So if they have sufficient number of people, it can tell you this is a website that is actually paying if they even have enough people in their website that they're not taking anymore. So this is also a good website for you. If you're in different country, not in Kenya, I would recommend you also try this to see what it has for you. And then last but not least, we have Fortunable. So Fortunable is another site that will pay you, and it is in so many countries. You can do this this is actually, I think, all over the world. If not, it is in many countries. So all you have to do is sign up. Again, free membership, fun surveys. You take surveys, simple fun surveys, and then you get to earn real money in this website. So it's an answer question sort of thing. So you're basically earning by answering questions. It's not like schoolwork or something. These are fun, something that is going to change the world or improve a service or something, and you get paid. So they have actually said that this website is good for if you're in school, if you're a student, if you want to make some money in retirement, if you're just chilling at home in your retirement, or if you're a stay-at-home mom and you want to earn that extra cash, this is a website for you that will give you some money. Again, remember, as I said earlier, they're not going to give you like huge amounts of money. These are websites that will pay you something that will help you like a bit, but you need to be consistent and you need to do a number of these surveys to actually feel like you are earning something quite substantial. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Please remember to hit that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video.